The following is an urgent weather message from the National Weather Service. Issued at 6:13 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Monterey County in central California until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 6:12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Del Monte Forest, Oregon, 9 miles west of Monterey, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Seaside, Monterey, Marina, Pacific Grove, Carmel by the Sea, Del Monte Forest, Del Rey Oaks, and Sand City. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.